I live a bit a ways from a big city and it is super dark at night. We have like a hangout den out in our backyard. I love going out there, but I've fallen before. I'm not trying to fall anymore. I thought these solar lights could help me lead the path. They're very easy to put together. You just peel off the little protective layer and then you snap together two of these, snap this one in, and then snap in the stake. And now you're all ready to go. Right down here on the bottom of each one, there's a little switch and it has a W and a C, so it's warm or cold. I'm gonna start by putting them all in the warm and we'll check it out later when it gets dark, see if I like it that way. So again, you just snap them all together. 1, 2, 3, voila. I'm gonna go stake them in along this walkway and hopefully I'll avoid problems in the future. Don't forget to peel off the little plastic on top of each one so that the solar power can do its thing. I'm gonna turn each of them on the bottom here. So that's on warm, and this one. I'm going to give these a chance to charge a little bit and then we'll check it out when it gets to be nighttime. Oh, actually, one more thing. They're also supposed to be waterproof, so let's see if that works when it gets to be nighttime. It is now nighttime and the lights are working perfectly. This is all off of solar power. So they just gathered some sun during the day and now they're lighting up my path at night. These are currently on the warm setting. I'm going to turn this one to cool so you can see the difference. So this one's on the cool setting and this one's on the warm setting. It just comes down to preference, whatever you like best. Now, if you're going to go out of town for a while or you don't need them on for some reason, you can turn them off. On that same switch, it's just the middle position. One big thing that I learned that I want to share with you, hold on. This one that I put back here, this one must not have gotten enough sun during the day because it's not shining now. And I know the reason. Oh, I just didn't have it screwed in right. Well, would you look at that? I thought I didn't get enough sun because it was covered. I'm going to go put it right back. Woohoo. I love these. I cannot believe it's taking me so long to get pathway lights. How beautiful. Now when I walk to my den at night, I'm not going to fall, or I might fall a lot less often.